Hi guys, this is me Vishal and today I came up with new video and I thought it is a little bit raining, but I thought why don't I make a video about my next challenge. Yes guys, my next challenge, I am announcing this in this video because I am just gonna create a challenge where I will do a big thing for 100 days. Yes guys, for 100 days, and what it is you will get to know in this video. Stay tuned. Guys, the thing is none other than a challenge. Yes guys, a challenge which will be take from myself. Yes guys, from myself, because I want to make something big in your life and my life too. I've been observing that English is nothing guys. English is nothing. English is, as I said one of my video, that English is nothing. I just want to say that in the beginner when I was, and I am feeling right now that in the beginners always try to actually not try to, beginners always struggle to speak, struggle to think, struggle to make structures. They don't know how to make a sentence, they don't know how to do something, how to speak without hesitation, without thinking a lot, without translating all of those. They think very much. That is the reason I am just going to do something big, so that by watching me and using it in my life, I want to create a new challenge where you can get something and I will have to do something big, and you can also use all of those whatever I will be speaking, whatever I'll be speaking in that video, you can use in your life, so that you are watching, your time won't be wasted. So this is my challenge. I'm just gonna speak about it a little bit. Now it's time to reveal the challenge. What is the challenge and what will be like that? Okay, the challenge is simple. 100 days challenge is for 100 days, and in 100 days 100 structures or pattern. I will be more than, I think more than 100 every day. If I give you every day 3 structures, then in 100 days it will be 300. Then I can say not 100, it will more than 100, but target is 100 days. Okay, the structures and the patterns will be more than 100, but the target is 100 days. I will give you something so that you can speak naturally without thinking, without grammar, without translating anything, so that you can use it in your life and I will be using in my life. It is the challenge what I am just gonna do. Because guys, I observed that many times we want to speak, we want to say something, but we have to think in our mind, we have to we have to actually think in our mind, we have to translate, we have to do many struggles to speak about that. And that is the reason I am just thinking that there are many learners, there are many learners, and there are many viewers of mine that they also, I think, struggle this type of struggleness. That is the reason, as I think guys, I can say that I also struggle sometimes. I know the structures, I know the grammar, I know the pattern. Sometimes I don't say it quickly. That is the reason most of the English speaker, they speak naturally, they speak automatically, they speak without thinking, like your mother tongue, you like my mother tongue, your mother tongue, we all speak naturally without thinking anything. Now I am with comfortable, I am used to it. I can say that in English that I think less in English, or I think I translate less in English, but even though I feel that I should be more fluent, I should be more flawless, natural. That is the reason I'm just going to do that. And I know guys, by watching all of those videos you will get to know something, and I will be used to that. That is the reason, and I will be more fluent. I will be speaking automatically, you will be speaking automatically. And if you use all of those in your daily life, whatever I'm just gonna make, that video will be life changing in your life and my life too. So let's create a challenge. Stay tuned with my challenge, and that's it for now, because it is raining and I'm just waiting.